Got a GPC file with guitar tablature and need to play it back? This is a tablature format from one of the most popular music notation tools for guitarists. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, play, and edit these Guitar Pro tab files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn GPC files. GPC files are tablature and music notation files created by Guitar Pro 6, the popular music composition and tablature editing software for guitarists and musicians. They store multi-track musical scores with standard notation, tablature chord diagrams, tempo markings, and realistic sound engine playback settings. Guitar Pro 6 GPC files use a proprietary binary format storing multiple instrument tracks with tablature notation, standard music notation, MIDI data, RSE soundbank, references, and performance markings. The format supports tempo changes, time signatures, repeats, and audio mixing parameters for realistic playback. A robust music defined Guitar Pro as the main handler for GPC files. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows supports many audio formats, but thorough editing or repair must be done with specialized tools. Open the context menu on the GPC file and choose Open With. Your priority is testing Guitar Pro. If it fails or is absent, select another program and test until you get access. If your GPC file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since the standard approach didn't work, it's time to get surgical. Let's quickly go through these 3 core troubleshooting procedures. First, opening in Guitar Pro. Launch Guitar Pro 7 or 8 and open the GPC file using File then Open. The current version reads Guitar Pro 6 files with full compatibility. All tracks notation. Tablature and playback settings load for editing and playback using the realistic sound engine. Navigate tracks using the track panel at the bottom. Next, using TuxGuitar as alternative. Download TuxGuitar, a free open-source tablature editor that supports Guitar Pro formats. Open the GPC file in TuxGuitar to view and play the tablature with MIDI playback. While the realistic sound engine is not available, the notation and tab display are fully functional for reading and editing purposes. Finally, exporting and converting. In Guitar Pro, export the tablature to PDF for printing or sharing as sheet music. Use File then Export to save as MIDI GP5 or Music XML format for compatibility with other music notation software. TuxGuitar also offers export to PDF MIDI and other formats for flexible sharing options. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.